Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in beautiful Atlantic City on a beautiful summer day on the iconic, historic Atlantic City Boardwalk. We're going to check out the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino today. Now, I know recently I've done a room and pool review here at the Hard Rock, and I've also done a slot pull here at the Hard Rock, and we've passed a Hard Rock plenty of times during my Steel Pier videos and my Boardwalk walk videos, and I just haven't been inside checking out the hotel and casino itself lately, so that's what we're going to do right now. Did you know the Atlantic City Boardwalk is the longest boardwalk in the world? Well, you do now. Now, usually when I enter the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino from the Boardwalk, I go straight, and that brings me right into the heart of the casino with the Hard Rock Cafe on the right-hand side. However, today, we're going to hang a left as soon as we get in and head up this escalator, which is going to bring us to the second level. Eventually, we'll work our way back downstairs at the front of the hotel and check out the casino and the hotel at that point. Now, don't overlook this hallway. Sure, it's got a lot of ballroom doors and places for conventions and stuff, but there's also a lot of rock and roll memorabilia down this long hallway. So take your time, check everything out. There is a video on the channel just exclusively on all the memorabilia in this hotel and casino. There's the largest collection the Hard Rock has is right here in Atlantic City. Here we have the Fresh Harvest Buffet, where you can embark on a culinary tour of the world where every meal is a show-stopping chef performance. Fresh Harvest All You Can Eat offers assorted pasta selections, comfort food, fresh seafood, Asian cuisines, carving stations, and desserts to die for. There's something for every taste from an ever-changing menu, allowing you to try something different every time. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And as we make our way to the front of the hotel on the second level here, we pass several shops and lounges. And of course, rock and roll memorabilia everywhere. Also up here on the second level of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is the food hall. Not too many well-known national places as far as fast food or casual bites up here. More local type of places. including White House Subs, which is legendary here in Atlantic City. I visited White House Subs not too long ago, and that video is coming out shortly. Not this one. This one's a satellite location. The actual older one, which is from the 40s, is right behind Caesars Hotel and Casino, and I visit that place, and that video should be coming out shortly. But like I said, a little bit of everything up here at the Hard Rock Food Hall. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. I've stayed at the Hard Rock several times, and in the morning this is where I come for my coffee and pastry. There's a Starbucks here, but the line is usually way too long. The coffee here is just as good, and actually, quite honestly, the pastries are much better. And we're going to head downstairs now to the main level. This is where the casino obviously is. There's some finer restaurants down here, as well as the front desk registration, a lot more shops, and the valet area. Hold on tight. There's little subtle touches you can catch if you're observant enough, like the tiles on this floor are actually guitar picks. This is the Tess Arena. I believe it's the largest venue here at the Hard Rock, and they usually get really good acts, including Darius Rucker. And here we have the valet entrance and the main entrance to the hotel here at the Hard Rock. Obviously the Boardwalk is another main entrance, but this I guess you can consider the front of the building, and this is the front entrance, and it leads right to registration and the front desk. Speaking of checking in, if you don't mind a little fib now and then, it's always good to tell them that you're there for a birthday or an anniversary. Sometimes it gets you a little upgrade that you don't even have to pay for. Coming up here is the lobby bar. It's a pretty popular bar, not only in the Hard Rock, but in Atlantic City overall. It's a great place to hook up with friends if you're meeting from different areas. It's right by the front door, by registration, right off of the casino. Usually has live entertainment. Great place to hang out. As I said, there's memorabilia all over this place, even the hallways in the towers, but the front area here seems to be like a jackpot of really good stuff, including, coming up on the left-hand side, Frank Sinatra's piano. And if you're entering the building from the front, if you go to the left of the lobby bar, you're going to find some of these shops here, including the Hard Rock store. Actually, there's one upstairs too, so there's one on both levels. Obviously, that's the casino on the right, but on the left-hand side is the entrance to the towers here. The security is usually standing there checking for keys. Why did Jeff from New York cross the casino? To get to the other side. The other side of the casino has lots of higher-end restaurants. We're going to check those out. And I've heard people say that they don't like the layout of the Hard Rock Casino, that it's too confusing, and quite honestly, I find it one of the most straightforward casinos as far as layout's concerned that I've been in a long time. So I don't understand that, but I guess to each his own. We just passed a Chili Chili Fire slot machine, a personal favorite of mine, and I did a slot pull here. I believe that video is available on the channel already. Alrighty, we crossed the entire casino. We're on the other side of the building now. The casino's flanked by two sides. This is obviously the side that we weren't on before. And here we have some, like I said, finer restaurants and a couple shops as well. Of course, it wouldn't be a hotel or casino anywhere in the world without a noodle restaurant, and this is Yu. This place is usually mobbed. I'm surprised it's empty right now. I guess it's just a time of day, but like I said, usually mobbed. I've eaten here before. Fantastic noodles. What we just passed is kind of like a fast serve Yu, and right across the way here is a sit-down, more formal Yu. Bye-bye, Yu. This is Il Milano, New York. Rustic Italian flavors will be served at Il Milano, spotlighting old world Italian food made with quality fish, lamb, and cured meats, along with fresh homemade cheeses and pastas. USA Today calls it the best casino restaurant. And coming up here on the right is Kuro. Kuro boasts a tempting menu of Japanese specialties. Ingredients are locally sourced or imported directly from Japan, and the menu perfectly balances the flavor of the Far East. The escalators on the left is the first escalators we went up when we came in. Those are the boardwalk doors ahead of us. And next up on the right is Council Oak Steaks and Seafood. This upscale eatery offers fine dining in an intimate setting. The menu showcases the Northeast's finest catches with seafood sourced from local fishermen. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Now when you come in the main entrance off the boardwalk, if you make a left and go up those escalators, that's exactly what we did when we started this video. However, if you make a right, first of all, you're going to pass Slash's motorcycle, which we just passed, and then you're going to come across the Hard Rock Cafe. Always busy, good food, always a fantastic atmosphere, good place for casual dining. And we'll take another walk through the casino as we slowly work our way towards the other entrance to the boardwalk here and exit the building. One thing I should note is that Hard Rock has several options as far as outdoor dining, so if you want to eat outside, whether it's up on a balcony or on the boardwalk itself, there are options here to do that. And of course, if the weather's cooperating, it's always nice to have a cocktail or beer on the boardwalk as well, just to do some people watching. Coming up here is the Sugar Factory, a wildly popular place here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's the most Instagrammed restaurant in the United States. And they have seating on the boardwalk as well. So what'd you think of the Hard Rock? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.